Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, Southern Angel Stamping. My name is Tammy. Here is my October host code. Stay tuned for an unboxing of this card kit called the Joy of Sharing card kit. Hey y'all, welcome back. Remember, here is my October host code, so if you'd like to place an order through me during the month of October, you can take a snapshot of this now, and it will also be listed down in the description box, and also down there it'll tell you how you can place an order through me, since I do not have my own website, because you'll have to go through the Stampin' Up website and then go find where it says up top find a demonstrator, and you have to put my name in, so it tells you how to go about doing all that, and it's real easy and everything. So I'm gonna set this aside, and this kit is called Joy of Sharing Card Kit. It's been on clearance. I do believe they still have them. I'm not sure, but I think they are. This was a kit from last year. It was very expensive last year, so it's been marked down tremendously. I remember it very well from last year. There's a lot in this kit. So for what it costs now compared to last year and what all's in it, it's a good deal. Now, the reason it's already been cut open, because I did just show a sneak peek for when I did my really big unboxing, but it didn't show it all. So the inside is still all put together. So it comes in this very nice box, and you can decorate this box, use this box as a gift, whatever you would like to do. Now, all the Stampin' Up kits come with a block. Now, you know, like the Paper Pumpkin kits, you get a block in your first kit, then you have to hold on to that block and use it for all the kits thereafter. But with Stampin' Up, anytime you order a kit, you're always going to get a block, okay? Now, so you don't have to worry about it. I need the scissors again, don't I? Okay, so you, of course, like Paper Pumpkin, you always get your ink and your stamps. And this is such a cute, oh, it's so cute. You get Mossy Meadow in this kit for your ink spot. And the stamps here are just so cute. You got like a little pine cone, a little pine here, pine branch. It looks like some little berries there. And I believe this says, see, I need something behind it so I can read it better. There we go. Now maybe y'all can see it a little bit better, and I'll try to zoom in. Wishing you season filled with the, I'm trying to hold it where y'all can see it, and me too. It's causing me a glare. Filled with the special warmth of friendship, the precious joy of sharing. You know what? Let me get my glasses. That might help me. Ah, there we go. Okay. Wishing you a season filled with the special warmth of friendship, the precious joy of sharing, and the wonderful blessings of happiness. I love that. I love that. We got to you and yours, season's greetings, and Merry Christmas. Love that. All right. So let's get in here and open this up. Okay, here we are. Here's the card kit. Now, it shows that you can take pictures and put in here, or you can just make regular cards. So either or. And I mean, just look at all that comes in this kit. See, here's your block. Get a nice little acrylic block. It says Stampin' Up on the side. You have your Stampin' Dimensionals here. A whole nice bunch of them. It's a whole nice pack, or section from a pack of them. And look at all the envelopes. Oh my goodness. Are these envelopes too? What are these? I think these, or are those just card? Okay, those are card bases. Look at all the envelopes. And these are big cards. These are not small. I mean, these are really big. Look how big they are. Because normally, cards that we would make, well, if I can grab a card, okay. Normally cards are this size. So you see the difference, okay? Which you could almost fit it in that way. So that's going to be a big card. This is like the size of a big card that you would buy like at Hallmark or something. Because normally you would get a piece of cardstock and you split it down the middle, and this is almost a full piece of cardstock. Look at these gold pieces. Oh, look how pretty. Oh my goodness, my goodness, my goodness. Look at that. Oh, look at that. And these pop out. This will be so much fun. I'm going to be working with these tonight. So I'll be showing you some cards later on. I wanted to do the unboxing, and then look, you got all this to play with and do something with. As you know, I'll be doing some alternatives too. And then Jean, who goes by Beauty and the Stamper, she is my upline. And her and I both got this kit so that we could do this together. Look at all this. Okay, there is the little glue dots. A lot of people don't like using those, and I do for some things. Okay, look at all these. These are the little tags. So you've got this, and then you've got these. See? So we've got those. Let's see. Oh, I see more gold. I see more gold. I see more gold. Oh, what is this? What is this? What do I only see one? What's this go to? What is this? Oh! Oh! You know what this is? Where's my pick tool or something here? Alright, I got some tweezers. I can get my tool. This is if I get one and put it back. I need my glasses on. Ugh, so I can do this. This is little bitty bling dots. Can y'all see that? So y'all can see. Look at that. How pretty. I don't have fingernails like most of y'all people. I can't grow fingernails. When I do, they just split and break because of my health. So that's why I'm sorry I don't have nice looking nails. I try. So that's gorgeous. Oh, I was wondering what all that was. And then you've got these great big tags here. So you got a couple of, I can't get those off again. You got 1, 2, 3 pages of those. I think you got, yeah, so you got 3 pages of each of the tags. Okay. And I forgot to tell you how many, I don't know how many pages of these gold things, but you got a whole mess of them. I'll tell you how many card bases and envelopes in just a minute. So I'll count those for you. And then look at these. Oh my goodness. There's a whole stack of these. Look at all these. There's like a whole big stack of them. That's all of those. Okay, so these are little die cuts. You got all different sizes. Oh gosh, we're gonna have so much fun with this. Oh my goodness, we could come up with all kinds of things with this tonight. Can't wait till we get started with this. Look at these. Oh my goodness, all these different little die cuts and things. I'm not gonna punch all these out, but I just wanted y'all to see, which you probably can't on top of those. So let me move some here. I'll put these over here. Okay, see, you got that one and that one and that one. I said I wasn't gonna do it, but now we'll just go ahead and punch them all out so you can see just how many. Because oh my goodness, these are so cute. I mean, because you don't have to follow the instructions. Who likes to follow instructions? Especially when you're creative, right? Instructions are for non-creative people, right? Even if you're not a card maker, you don't have to follow instructions when you're creative. If you know how to make a pocket letter or ATC or any of that stuff, you can you can create a card for somebody. Especially with stuff like this. I mean, it's right here. It's already done. It's just all you got to do is throw the stuff together. Everything matches. Look at all that. And then get your little stamp and your little block and your little ink and pick out which one of your little stamps you want to stamp, what message you want, and which tag you want. I mean, it's not hard. Boy, these things punch out real easy. Okay, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 card bases and envelopes right there. And then, like I said, I mean, you can always add in your own card bases, make more card bases. You can order more cardstock if you need more cardstock from me. whatever. But right there's your Christmas cards. You know, like I said, if you needed more to make this kit go far, I mean, because there's plenty of stuff here to make more cards. There always is. And if you want any ribbon or like the rhinestones or anything, you can order that to go with it, and then that just makes your stuff go even further. So yeah, check it out. It's on the clearance, like I said, and hopefully it's still there. If you are interested, I suggest you go and get it while it's on clearance before it's all gone, because this would do all your Christmas cards right here. Got everything in it you need. You don't even need a block or anything. And it's got all your adhesive in it. Now, if you want, some people like to have their own glue, then get some glue. I suggest getting the Tombow glue, because that's a good liquid glue to use. It's not, you know, all ooey gooey wet. And it sticks real good. So I suggest if you do want a glue, get the Tombow, and you can get that through me, Stampin Up. Stampin Up when you order this, and it's not very much at all. So but yeah, check into that. So I appreciate y'all watching. Please share this and let other people know in case they might be interested in it. And I thank y'all for watching, and comment down below and let me know what you think. Let me know if you think you might be interested in ordering it. I'd love to know. And I will definitely show you some things that I'm doing with it after I do some projects with it. I'll share it in another video. And if you'd please remember to give this video a thumbs up, I'd appreciate it. It would help me out a lot, and supporting my channel and all, I appreciate it. And if you're not a subscriber yet, I'd love it if you would subscribe, and remember to click that notification bell so that YouTube will notify you when I make a new video. And with that being said, I hope y'all have a wonderful and blessed day, and I'll see you again in the next one. Take care.